Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 15. Fill blank cells. Let's say instead of deleting blanks, we want to fill them in. How do we do this? Well, we first select the cells, then press F5 for the go to dialog box and click on special. Now we click on blanks to select blanks and click OK. Then we type the value we want, in this case n/a for NA, and then we hit Ctrl and enter, and that fills in the values with NA. Number 16. Fill numbers to the nth value using a series. Now if I wanted to fill the numbers from 1 to 30, I could type them in like this, but it would take a long time. Instead, we're going to take a shortcut. We'll select that cell with a 1, then head back to fill, and then click on series. We want the series in a column. We're going to step up in steps of 1 and we'll stop at number 30. Now when we click on OK, there the numbers are filled from 1 to 30. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos like this and for the next part of the video, keep connected. Adios.